Yeah, g'day folks. Just out in the garage here. It's pretty rugged weather out there today, so just fluffing around in here, and I bought this new budget compressor for blowing up the tyres, one Memento. Now we cannot forget the humble hand pump. You should never go anywhere without one of these things. They work, they're slow, and I've used one always up to now, but I'm just finding I can't be bothered. It is a lot of effort, but they do work. So that's why I bought this little gadget. Just a unbranded eBay compressor, $22. In fact, I'll get the box. Yeah, so there's the box. I believe there was a brand Tomcat. On the eBay ad it used the word Tomcat, but there's nothing on the box, so I don't know if it is. I don't care. You get this incredible set of instructions how to use this thing. There's a lot of reading there. A nice bag to put it in. Cigarette lighter attachment, and direct to your battery. Now, like all these bloody things, it came out of this bag so easy. I tell you what, you try and get everything back in there, you got bloody buckleys. All right, I'll wander over to the bike. I'm going to drop the pressure down to nothing, and we'll see how long it takes to blow up a 90-90-21 front tyre. Right, I'm going to, tyres let down, we'll just check the pressure. There you go, she's down to nothing. Attached all the cables here, we're all good to go. And I've got this screws on. This poor old thing's suffering a bit of brewer's droop, isn't it? Never mind, poor old thing. Sitting on 0, the timer I will start. Well, there you go, it was about 1.25 minutes to get to 20. A minute and a half, 24. That's about 30. What was that? A bit under 2 minutes, wasn't it? That's not bad. I'll confirm with this one here. There you go, 30. That wasn't too bad, just under 2 minutes to get to 30. That worked pretty good. Not even warm. I don't know if they get hot. All right, well that's the extensive review of this budget mini air compressor. You can see for yourself it works. There are plenty of, not plenty, but a few reviews online. They're all pretty similar, I must admit. Comparing this to the ones that are 6 times the price, which they did seem to be faster. So there you go. See how it goes long term, eh? All right, bye for now.